Hi students, today I am coming with another new shortcut. Null point. You know that null point is a point in a system of electric field where the net electric field intensity is 0. Now we will take up the case 2 where the system contains two unlike charges. Here Q1 is a positive charge and Q2 is a negative charge. These two are unlike charges. And in this case, keep in your mind, the null point lies outside the line joining the two charges, two unlike charges. So here Q1 we have considered it as a weaker charge. Remember this, always Q1 should be considered as a weaker charge. And Q2 we will consider it as a stronger charge, stronger in magnitude. Do not consider the sign, I have told you this. So in the case of two unlike charges, the null point lies outside the line joining the two charges. The electric field intensity at the point P due to this plus Q1 will be in this direction, you call it as E1. And the electric field intensity at the point P due to the minus Q2 will be towards minus Q2 and that will be towards minus Q2, call that as E2. So at the null point, the E1 must be equal to E2, which means the two electric fields must be equal and opposite. So therefore, if we go by that, E1 is equal to E2, equal and opposite. You know that equation, E1 is equal to K. K represents 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. K Q1 divided by, notice that the point P is at a distance x from Q1, this distance. Point P is at a distance x, so K Q1 divided by x square. And that is equal to K Q2 divided by d plus x whole square. Why d plus x? Because the point P is at a distance d plus x from the charge Q2. So in this case, you can cancel out this k and k. So what remains is Q1 divided by x square is equal to Q2 divided by d plus x whole square. Now taking the ratio, for example, if I take the ratio Q2 divided by Q1, Q2 by Q1 will be equal to d plus x divided by x whole square. Now suppose if I rearrange this equation, so you will now get d plus x divided by x is equal to square root of Q2 divided by Q1. Again rearrange this, you will get d divided by x plus 1, because x by x is plus 1, is equal to square root of Q2 divided by Q1. And send this plus 1 to the other side of the equation, and if you send to the other side, you will get d by x is equal to square root of Q2 divided by Q1, and plus 1 taken to the other side becomes minus 1. Now that is d by x. Now reverse this, which means x divided by d is equal to 1 divided by square root of Q2 divided by Q1 minus 1, or x is equal to d divided by square root of Q2 divided by Q1 minus 1. So dear students, you just have to remember this formula, and here x is the distance of the null point from the weaker charge, d is the distance between the two unlike charges, Q2 and Q1 are the magnitudes of the two charges. Remember very clearly that Q2 is the magnitude of the stronger charge and Q1 is the magnitude of the weaker charge. So in the case of like charges, we will take positive sign, and in the case of unlike charges, we take negative sign, and this is the important point. Please remember. Thank you.